Hi Remo and Dia, it's Jor-El from Audi Winnipeg. Just following up to your email question there, you were asking what the differences are between the Progressive and the Technic. That is an excellent question. So I pulled up the 15Q5 order guide. I've sold many of these brand new when they came out. The TFSI just stands for Turbo, and Quattro is the Proactive all-wheel drive. 4-cylinder turbo, 220 horsepower, 258 pounds of torque, 8-speed Tiptronic. So if you get a Progressive, you're going to get these two boxes full of features. If you get the Technic, you get all 3 boxes here worth of features. You also get the Convenience Package Standard on both the Progressive and Technic, and then the navigation, the Sport Package, Black Optics. Those are all optional features that you can pick from. And then, of course, more standard features like the panoramic roof, the home link, the adaptive headlights with corner feature, and heated rear seats are standard all in the Technic. So getting a Technic is a huge advantage because you get so much more quality. Again, this is the order guide for it, and I can review that in person. Thanks. Bye for now.